Welcome to part 3 of the Formbird fleet application demonstration. If you've not seen the first parts, there's a link in the description as well as some timestamps. In this part, Mark Hosking, founder and CEO of Formbird, demonstrates how work requests are generated in Formbird fleet.
I look at the request level. So I've looked at the asset, and the asset, of course, can go into the request and the repairs because everything links to everything else. But now attacking it, I suppose, from a request level, which is really starting from the point of view as I want to do something. Now, I'm logged in as a supervisor. So a lot of these things will have two views. So, for instance, a repair request or an operator request versus a service request, for instance. A repair request is coming from an operator, so someone's nominating an operator repair request. They can't, for instance, assign it to someone. They can't nominate the repair dates. They can't do anything. They can just report it, but they'll have visibility. So that basically gives them a view of a reporter of an issue. If I go as a supervisor, I'll go in and report a problem, and I'll report it specifically. So someone's just walked into the workshop, for instance, and said, look, I've got a busted something or rather. So if I do that, I'll link it to the asset. I'll update any details, I can start scheduling it in. So I'll get working on it on Monday. I'll hope to finish it on Wednesday. It'll default through from the asset from the workshop that it's located in. It'll start to show any work orders that are repairs that are open, etc. I can take a photo of any damage. So that's at the request level. So it's quite simple. It's really just something's broken. Please fix it.
Thank you for watching. To view the next part of the Formbird fleet demonstration, click on the video. If you missed the first part, there's a link in the description. And please contact us via our website if you would like a personal demonstration.